What's happening, y'all? It's Josh Drive the Coast. Just got an absolutely beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. This is originally a C-code car, meaning it had a 289 two-barrel originally. Currently, it has a 302 four-barrel carb electric choke. Got a beautiful dress-up feel on the motor. We'll address some of that once we get into the video. But right now, let's focus on the paint. Really has super nice paint. Beautiful condition all the way around. No bubbles on the bottom of the doors there. Super clean corners. Really bright reflection. Love the clear coat. See some of that reflection there in the door. That's what we love to see. Gloss on the paint. Looks really good in person as well. Grill up front looks awesome. Chrome, beautiful. Emblems look brand new. No cracks on the windshield there. A little bigger mirror installed. Noticing that. Like the red stripe though. A little sharp looking one. Super clean on the corners there. Bottom of the window also looks good. Coming around back, same way. Chrome looks great back here. Bumper guards, tail light lenses, gas cap, all look super nice. It's a real straight body. Gaps look good as well. Looking down the car, beautiful on this side as well. Driver's side. I like it. Blue is looking great. Roof as well. Easy open door there. Barely tap it. Bright red interior. Looks excellent. Overall, just one wear spot here on the driver. Wheel looks good. Gauges look good. Love the center console. Really looks nice. C4 automatic. Seats look good. You got the fold down rear seat back here. Louvered trim looks awesome as well. Carpet looks good too. Let's give it a fire up here. Easy starting on 302. Dash looks nice. Pop the lights on. They're working good. Look at that. There's a 302. Nice dress up kit on it. Looks like brand new water pump. On balancer. On this side. Like a drain. There we go. So, beautiful running car. Like it? If we can earn your business, please let us know. We do have nationwide shipping, financing available, as well as lots of other classics for sale here in the showroom. Let me know how I can earn your business. Thanks so much for watching. Josh, Drive the Coast.